Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am your friend Priyanka Singh. Today's video is on conjunction. In this video, I will tell you about what is conjunction, types of conjunction and when which conjunction is used. So let's go started. If you are new to my channel, remember to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. What are conjunction? A word that joins two words, two groups of words or two sentences is called conjunction. They are also called joining words. So here are some examples. I will go to the market when it stops raining. Ela likes ice cream, but her brother does not. Either study or play. I not only like pasta but also noodles. The baby will eat or sleep. I study hard so got good marks. I ran fast yet could not win. So here when, but, either or, not only but also, or, so, yet are conjunctions. There are 4 types of conjunctions, but I will not be sharing with you the 4th one, adverbial conjunction, but will surely tell it in short. So, first conjunction is coordinating conjunction, second correlative conjunction, and third subordinating conjunction. Coordinating conjunction, also called coordinators, are conjunctions that join or coordinate two or more items, such as words, main clauses, or sentences of equal syntactic importance. There are 7 coordinating conjunctions. Let's learn it. For, it's used for reason, and addition of positive sentences, nor addition of negative sentences, but contrasting ideas, or option or alternative, yet contrasting ideas, so result of an action. As you saw in the picture, you can learn it by the phrase fanboys. Correlative conjunction. They get their name from the fact that they work together and relate one sentence element to another. Here are few correlative conjunction. Either or. It is used for choice. Not only but also. It is used for and. Neither nor. It is used for no choice. As. It is used for comparing. Not but. It is used for and. Here are some examples. I not only like reading books but also watching movies. Neither Akshay nor Sam are in the argument with you. Either go to the zoo or watch television. No sooner did we leave home than it started raining. A subordinating conjunction is a word or phrase that link a dependent clause to an independent clause. This word or phrase indicates that a clause has informative value to add to the sentence main idea, signaling a cause and effect relationship or shift in time and place between the two clauses. Here are some examples. I will go to the market when it stops raining. As soon as I got the news, I came to meet you. You wait here until I return. Mom will not allow me to play unless I complete my work. So here when, as soon as, until, unless, these are subordinating conjunction. Now let us see adverbial conjunction. A adverbial conjunction can join two main clauses. In this situation, the conjunctive adverb behave like a coordinating conjunction, connecting two complete ideas. Notice, however, that you need a semicolon, not a comma, to connect to the clauses. Here are some adverbial conjunction. Therefore, however, besides, nevertheless, meanwhile, otherwise. I hope this video is helpful for you. So,
Like, share and subscribe.